You are going to love the 2026 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sunroof, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, trailering package, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, push button start. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.